one! No! No!
Did it really suck one?
Yes, it sucked that one in! I had to go down over the trash and find. I'm gonna have to cut this open to find it. I'm just trying to think which way. I'm gonna cut it like this.
Okay. Got 5 minutes left of battery, so actually 3 minutes.
All right.
Find it?
Nope. Sounds sunflower seeds.
So do you want to explain what happened, Eric?
I vacuumed my keyboard, and I lost a key. I can't believe I just touched that. Oh my goodness, it's disgusting! Why do I always do the stupid things? Come on, I just need a key. That's all I want, it's just a key. Never vacuum your keyboard. It's a very, very bad idea. Just in case you didn't know that. I learned it the hard way. This is delicious, by the way. It's very, very fluffy. I want to put this in a pillow. Brian, what if it just broke up into like a million pieces once it entered the vacuum?
Then we'd never find it.
What if it never made it to the bag? I feel so
Jesse.
disgusting right now. You want to ask? I'll answer.
I'm not going to.
I learned a very valuable lesson. You know what I'm going to do, Ryan?
What?
Go over to the trash can over there. I'm going to pull off little pieces at a time and just sift through it. I'm looking for my keys. I lost them in the trash can. I tried to vacuum the computer because that's how you clean things. It didn't work. Akbar told me to do it. I don't think I should be inhaling this. If I throw up.
I have the craziest roommate in the world, Eric Shaver.
You vacuumed up your keypad?
I vacuumed my keypad.
What did you find?
I found the key I lost inside of the garbage can.